Aj hum aapko dikha rahe hain ekic luxury SUV jo dekh high diljit leti high. Purple metallic finish, futuristic showroom environment, our off-road monster stance ke saath ye gaadi surf ek vehicle nahi, baake ek power statement lagti high. Sak ke dekhiye, ekic SUV jo modern technology our aggressive design ka combination ho. Jism luxury ka level igna high ho ke aapko feel high na ho ke aapke normal car mi bethe hain. Ye purple SUV ek high-end futuristic Mercedes-style G-Class inspired build lag rahi high. Jism front se car interior tak har jaga detail ka ek naya standard set kia gaya high. Sabs pella bot kart hain iska front look ki. G's whacked gaadi samni se nazar ati high. To sabs pella jo cheese ankan ko pocket leti high wo high iska bold grill our beach me large iconic metallic emblem. Grill ke dono tariff circular LED halo headlights lage hue hain jo ek ring flash effect create kart hain. Is front design our be premium our aggressive lag to high. Headlights k niche vertical LED strips lage hain jo jab on hodi hain to SUV ko ek futuristic personality dedi hain. Niche heavy duty bumper, mesh vents our skid plate k soft protection our off-road capability dono ka esas hoda hay. Tires wide our chunky tread design k soft ekdom tough dik rahi hain, jazye gaadi kisi bi terrain ka samna kar sakti high. Showroom ki reflective floor is SUV ka impression our enhanced car rahi high, jazk luxury supercar display ho. A flat chalt hain right side profile ki tariff. Jahan se gaadi ka body kit our wide stance clearly sam auto high. Purple paint par showroom ki neon lights car reflection ek glossy mirror finish create car raha high. Side fenders flared hain jo tires ko wide our muscular look deet hain. Side mirrors compact our aerodynamic shape mine hain. Our tinted windows gaadi ko ek privacy our premium feel dedi hain. Footsteps integrated design mine hain taki gaadi k clean lines disturb na hun. Ye SUV right side se bilkul ek luxury tank jaisi lag rahi high. Jism comfort our power dono aik soft nazar at hain. A flat bot kart hain left side profile key. Left angle se aapko paint key detailing our be ziada clear nazar ati high. Purple shade ka gloss, metallic flakes our clean reflections is color ko royal our commanding presence deet hain. Door handles chrome finish mine hain our body k curves aerodynamic flow create kart hain. Wheels k and our brake calipers be visible hain jo performance oriented engineering ka signal dedi hain. Pure left view mine gaadi ka stance iss tara dikai deta high jays wo chaln k liye tyre ho, ba command ka intazar ho. Ye angle gaadi k soft modern architectural showroom ki synergy ko be highlight karta high. Dono ek dusre ko aesthetically complement kart hain. A flat chalt hain upper view ki tariff. Top angle dekna par sabs prominent feature panoramic sunroof high jo almost roof ka major hissa cover karta high. Roof rails mounted lights our aerodynamic grooves airflow management k liye design ki gay hain. Roof ki symmetry our glass ka clean finish gaadi ko futuristic spaceship jaisi feel deta high. Agar dronya upper cinematic shot say as SUV ko shoot karein, to ye ek science fiction movie k scene jaisi lagti high. Upper view say puri body proportion our aggressive geometry nazar ati high, jo is gaadi k powerful engineering stance ko highlight karti high. Our ab aut hain iss SUV k interior ki tariff, jo sabs ziada luxurious our modern hissa high. Door cult high ambient LED lighting aapko welcome karti high. Jism purple our white tones ka combination cabin k and our ek royal environment banata high. Seats premium stitched leather mine hain. Jism comfort our style dono ka perfect balance dia gaya high. Dashboard fully digital display k soth auto high, jo speed. Navigation, vehicle stats our driving modes j's options ko futuristic UI mine show karta high. Steering wheel multifunction controls k soth ek modern jet cockpit vibe deta high. Center console pay large touchscreen present high jahan climate control, media, connectivity our advanced car settings available hain. Air vents metallic turbine style mine hain jo interior design ko our be classy bana deet hain. Roof par panoramic glass say natural light cabin mine enter hodi high, jo driving experience ko airy our premium vanity high. Ye interior ISS bot ka sa boot hai ke is SUV ko banate wakt luxury ko full priority di gay hai. Agar hum performance our purpose ko samjan, to his SUV ko A's design kia gaya lagta hai ke ye highways par ek luxury status symbol ho our off-road trails par ek powerhouse machine banjay. Large tires, lifted suspension our heavy-duty components indicate kart hain ke ye surf ek show vehicle nahi, bake real performance ke liye ready high. Yani ye gaadi unlogon ke liye perfect high jo luxury b chot hain, power b, our attention b. So agar aapke ic SUV ke bare mine sak rahe hain jo normal say hat car ho, jo dekh high logon car reaction ho. Yahi high boss, to ye purple futuristic off-road SUV wahi energy carry karti high. Ye gaadi style ka bi jawab high, engineering ka bi, our presence ka bi. A's showroom environment mine ye SUV ek masterpiece lagti high, J's kissy high budget sci-fi movie ya automotive commercial ka hero shot ho. Ye design unlogon ke liye high jo alag sok rocked hain, jo premium chot hain our jo visual impact ko samich hain. Is detailed walkaround ke bod aapko andaza ho gaya hoga ke ye SUV kidney premium, powerful, our thoughtfully designed high. I hope aapko ye pora explanation pasand aaya hoga. Agar op chahan to his gaadi ko ai prompt ke through har angle say generate car sakti hain, chahe cinematic rendering chahi ya showroom style images. Agar op our is tara ki gaadian key details, prompts, scripts our voiceover content chot hain to comment mine zaroor bate.